I'm going to be unboxing the brand new limited edition from Lookfantastic, the Go and Glow Edit, and it comes in a little bag and not a box this time. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. As always, if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, then you will find a link down below in my description, and you're welcome to take a look if you want to. The Go and Glow Edit was released a couple of days ago. It's still available. It costs £35 and it has a value of £130 and contains 8 beauty products to brighten your skin for a more radiant complexion. I had £10 credit on my account, so I got it for £25. So as you can see, it comes in a little drawstring bag. I'll just tip everything out on my bed. Starting off, we've got Hello Sunday. This is SPF 50, the matte one. It's an oil control moisturiser. It contains hemp oil and vitamin E. It says that it's an advanced moisturiser designed for oily and acne prone skin, or simply for those days when you want a matte finish. The soothing CBD infused concoction is fast absorbing and avoids the appearance of imperfections while still protecting you from daily aggressors, UVA, UVB, pollution and blue light. If you've been following me for a while, you'll probably know that I'm on medication to control my excessive oily skin. I'm on a medication called spironolactone. It's because I got polycystic ovary syndrome, and I've recently gone up as well a dose because I've been diagnosed with androgenic alopecia, which goes hand in hand, unfortunately. But I'd imagine it might become a little bit more drier. Hopefully not, but I'm guessing it might do. So I'm going to save this for my daughter. She's got acne prone skin and it's oily as well, unfortunately. I think she's following after me, but hopefully not. Hopefully it's just because of her age. But yeah, I'm going to see if she wants this one. But if I had oily skins, this would really excite me. I love SPF 50 all the time. Yeah, so it is a good one, but not for me at the moment. We've got some Magnitone Wipeout wipes. These are eco-friendly microfiber little pads. There's 2 in here. I got a load of these. I love them. So I use these to apply liquid exfoliator and toners. I've got loads of them, but I use them daily, so they're always in and out the wash. Always happy to receive more. Then we've got Badescu. This is Pore Minimizer. I'm not too sure what this is. Is it, what is it? What? It doesn't even say. Minimizing of pore. Okay. I'll have a look on the Lookfantastic website to see what it is. I do have large pores, and they haven't changed at all since I've been on medication. Oh, I forgot to say, this Hello Sunday moisturiser is worth £22. These Magnitone wipes are worth £8. It's a mask and it's worth £12. Pores No More. This deep cleansing powder mask is expertly designed to tighten and refine pores, specifically targeting skin texture. Oh, right, okay. So is it like the Dermalogica exfoliator, the powder exfoliator, where you have to mix it? Oh, I've just had my nails done. Do you like the colour? A little bit different. I don't want to use my nails to break the thing, the seal. Hold on. This is really hard to get into. You need some scissors. But yeah, it's a powder. Hopefully you'll be able to see in there. So you'd mix it with water. It doesn't give you instructions though. I've just typed in for the full information about it. You can use it AM, PM, dampen a cotton pad, dip it into the powder and gently press onto the T-zone or congested areas. Leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly, avoiding the eye area. So it's an oil absorbing mask that transforms from a powder to a rich paste to minimise the look of pores. I wonder if that would work on my skin. I don't have oil, but I have massive pores. I think my pores are genetic. Both my parents have got large pores. Masks and things can help shrink them a little bit, but it's not a permanent solution. I like pore filling products, like pore filling primers, just to get more like an even. It's just across my nose here, not too bad on my chin or here. It's just mainly on my nose until going over onto my cheeks. I don't like it. We've got Ren Clean Skincare. This is Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. It brightens and soothes. This 15ml, it says it's worth £49. Gosh, I didn't realise it was that expensive. I've had this a few times in different beauty boxes. It contains elderberry flower extract to brighten skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles, glycogen to improve luminosity, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and smooth the eye area. Yeah, it's a nice eye cream. I don't have a favourite eye cream, I've got to be honest. Saying that, I do have a few I do really like, particularly the Ole Henriksen banana eye cream. I do like that one. I don't see a massive difference with all these different eye creams, but I do like applying them to my skin, and the colder the better. I've got a Pore's rollerball one, which I love putting on as well. It contains caffeine and it feels cold going on my skin, so I do like them, I do use them, but there's none that I'm like, oh my gosh, these are amazing, this is amazing, you have to go and buy it. I haven't come across one like that yet, not really. But yeah, this is a nice one, and I do dip in and out of using it now and again as well. £49 though. Wow. We got LANEIGE, and this is a Korean skincare brand. This is Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Intensive Moisturiser, and there's 10 mils there. It's designed to restore your skin's moisture barrier. Great for dry skins, and this little pot is worth £6. I've tried a few products from this brand. Absolutely love their lip masks. Their overnight lip masks, they're gorgeous. Even though I try these little mini ones, I can't always remember what I think about them. Because they're only small, I go on to the next one or the next one, and then I forget. So yeah, I can't tell you about it. But I don't think it's horrible. I think that would stick in my mind, wouldn't it? If it was absolutely amazing and absolutely horrible. We got Shiseido. This is Vital Protection LiftDefine Radiance Serum, and there's 7 mils here, and there's a little sample there. It's very pricey. This is worth £20. The Ultimate Radiance Serum, offering anti-aging benefits without compromising the glow. Got Serum. Then we've got Pie. This is Light Work Rosehip Fruit Extract Cleansing Oil, and there's 10 mils there. This is worth £10. Gently cleanse and remove makeup with a soothing plant-based cleansing oil, perfect for sensitive skins, leaving your face feeling fresh and hydrated without stripping natural oils. And then lastly, we have got Youth to the People. This is Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins. It's a superfood cleanser, and there's 15 mils there. And this is worth £3 at this size. I've tried this a few times as well, and it is a really nice one. It smells really nice as well. It's a clear bottle. It's just like a little taster, isn't it? Not taster, tester. Yeah, it just smells like cut grass. Oh, it's just so nice. A fusion of kale, spinach, green tea and goodness, designed to detoxify, refresh and nourish your skin. It's got a cleanser there. So those are all the products in this limited edition. We have got a bit of a routine going on. So starting off with the cleansers, we've got an oil cleanser by Pie, and then we've got a liquid cleanser by Youth to the People. We've got an eye cream by Ren Clean Skincare, and we've got a serum by Shiseido. We've got a hyaluronic acid moisturiser by LANEIGE, and we've got an SPF 50 mattifying moisturiser by Hello Sunday. Then we've got a pore minimising mask by Badescu, and 2 microfiber little pads by Magnitone. The cost of the box is £35, and it has a value of £130. Bearing in mind I paid £25, yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. There's some really nice products in there. The only thing I know that I won't be using is this, but it won't go to waste because I know my daughter will try it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you buy it for yourself? Did you buy it as a gift to give to someone? Or are you watching this thinking, you're not too sure? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.